This isn't taught in any school. Parents don't talk about it, and most people stay silent because of shame. But the problem is everywhere. Maybe it's happening to you too. This is a dangerous war between your brain and your mobile screen, between your real strength and this habit that is slowly destroying you. What is dopamine, the chemical of pleasure? Let's understand the first thing. What is dopamine? Every time you feel joy, like eating chocolate, winning a game, or getting a compliment, your brain releases a chemical, dopamine. It's the brain's good job signal. It says, wow, that felt good, do it again. This is what pushes us to move forward, be happy, and achieve more. But when you watch porn, dopamine is released for no real reason. You didn't earn anything, you didn't win, you didn't receive love. You just opened a screen and your brain gave you pleasure. That's fake happiness, false joy, and it damages your brain. How the brain gets trapped. First, you watch one video, then another, then another. Each video has a new face, a new body, a new scene, and every time, the brain releases more dopamine. The brain says, wow, this is so easy, no effort needed. Now the brain stops caring about real happiness. Now you don't enjoy talking to friends. Now games, learning, or anything new feels boring. Now the brain just wants one thing: more porn, more and more. Some shocking facts. Every day, 100 million people watch porn. 1 out of every 4 internet searches is about porn. The porn industry makes over $100 billion, more than Hollywood, football, and music combined. 1 in every 3 young men under 30 suffers from sexual weakness due to porn. And the scariest part, children as young as 11 years old see porn for the first time. What does porn do to the brain? One study says, porn hits the brain like cocaine. Another study says, too much porn weakens the thinking part of the brain. A third study says, the brain's wiring gets damaged. You lose focus, control, and decision-making power. This is not just a habit. It's a chemical attack on your brain, and the battlefield is inside your own head. Why is it so addictive? Porn is designed to be addictive. Every video is new. Autoplay starts the next one. Content gets more shocking, more strange. You watch, you masturbate, you feel shame. Then, you watch again. It's a trap, and each day, the trap gets deeper. The Coolidge effect, why you want more. The brain naturally craves newness to help humans grow, reproduce, and move forward. Porn uses this against you. Every new video feels like a new partner to your brain, even though it's just a fake screen. That's why you start with normal stuff, then move to rough content, then to things you never imagined you'd watch. Now, your brain needs that just to feel anything, because your brain has been changed. It doesn't stay on the screen. This affects your real life too. You lose interest in real girls. Love and friendship feel pointless. You feel tired all the time. Confidence disappears. Making eye contact becomes hard. Sometimes your sexual strength gets weaker too. It's not your fault. It's a chemical change inside your brain. Real people's experiences. I couldn't perform with my girlfriend, but on screen, I was fine. I only get turned on by videos, not in real life. It killed my energy, my passion, my mind. These are not just a few people. These are millions of boys, men, and even teenagers. And maybe this is your story too. Can this be changed? Yes. Here's the best part. Your brain can heal. The brain has a power called neuroplasticity. It can rebuild itself, but it won't happen overnight. You'll feel restless, angry, sleep may get worse. Your body might feel tired, but if you don't give up, you can win. This is where it begins. If you've made it this far, then you've understood one thing. Porn is not just a habit. It's a silent enemy that is eating your brain, your body, and your life. But now the time has come. Time for freedom, healing, a comeback. Step 1. No more triggers. Eliminate all temptations. First, remove the things that push you to watch videos. Bold pictures on social media? Unfollow. Mobile in isolation? Shut it off. Sleeping with your phone at night? Stop doing it. If the devil finds an open door, he will enter. So close the door. Step 2. Strong why. Burn the reason into your heart. Ask yourself, why do I want to get out of this filth? Do you want to become strong, successful, someone's pride, or just want your self-respect back? This reason will become your shield when the addiction attacks you again. Write your why on a piece of paper and read it every morning. Step 3. Cold turkey. Quit completely. Some say, I'll quit slowly, just once a week. But remember, an addiction, whether small or big, is still an addiction. So, 0 porn, 0 masturbation, 0 exceptions. It'll be tough at first, but this is the only right way. Withdrawal. The real war begins here. When you quit, your brain will scream. Irritation, insomnia, weakness in your body, anger. And the thought over and over again, just once more. Remember, this is your brain detox. The pain is temporary, but the power will last forever. Step 4. Replace the habit, fill the void with strength. Porn comes in when time is empty. Now fill that empty time. Exercise, your body will get stronger. Read books, your mind will sharpen. Learn skills, your future will shine. Worship, your heart will find peace. Meet people, loneliness will vanish. Remember, just quitting is not enough. You must replace it with something better. Step 5. Track your progress. Record every win. Keep track of each day. No porn today, no masturbation. 7 days, celebrate. 30 days, you're a new person. 90 days, your life has changed. Every day you win, you become more powerful. Step 6. Talk to someone. End the silence. This battle is hard to fight alone. Trust someone, a friend, a brother, a good person. Or join an online nofap or reboot community. People there are fighting the same war. When you speak, shame disappears, and when shame disappears, your strength comes back. Step 7. Relapse, don't quit. Falling is not failure. If you slip one day, don't punish yourself. Remember, falling equals being human. Getting back up equals being powerful. Stand up again. Restart the counter, and keep telling yourself, I am not a slave, I am a free human being. Brain recovery. It's truly possible. Science says, when you quit porn, the damaged brain wiring starts to heal. Focus returns. Joy is found in real things again. Sexual strength becomes powerful again. Confidence increases. Shame fades away. And most importantly, you become the master of your life. New man, new journey. When you leave porn behind, you're not just quitting an addiction. You are starting a new life. You can become the person you feel proud to be. Final message. This world tried its best to break you. Now it's your turn to free yourself, to become powerful, to feel alive. Subscribe to the channel, comment, I'm ready. I want my life back.